Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use view trading view on Deriv. So what you are going to do, you are going to go there by the Google Chrome, and then after that you're gonna choose your account just like this, and then after that you're gonna go up there and then you press trading view trading implementation Deriv, and then you press enter. After that you're gonna go scroll down to advanced trading charts and tools, trading view Deriv. You click there, and then same time it's gonna open the what? It's going to open the charts. It's going to open the charts just like this. So when you come at this point, mind you, this is Deriv. This has nothing to do with this have got nothing to do with gold NAS 100. No, this is only Deriv. So when you come at this side right here by the symbol search, that's where you are going to do what? That's where you are going to find your what? That's where you are going to find your pairs. For example, we are trading Deriv. They've got a forex, stock indices, and then the commodities, the cryptocurrencies. So now what you're going to do, you're going to come to your what? To your backspace and erase everything. So once you erase everything, all the pairs, they're going to come out that Deriv is trading. Usually what I like is that it's the same one, just there's the same one that is already there. When you open your chart, it's already open. Volatility what? Volatility 25 index. It opens every time. When it opens, it always open in 24 hours. So now we've got these areas right here, these lines here. So this is our what? This is our tools. So you come here, and then this is you see here by the star right here, that's where you are going to do what? You are going to add your tool. So once you press right here, it means what? It's added. You see it change colors, and then once you press again, it's removed. So it's going to appear at this side here. Let me add the eraser. There it's added. Remove, it's removed. And then we've got this Fibonacci tools here, Jan and Fibonacci tools here. Just come and press here. So I do not use Fibonacci, I do not use trend what I only this side. As for me, I don't think I've got something important that I use, so I go to the next tools. And also, as for me, this side I do not use anything. So I come at this area right here. You can see there's a brush. Usually I use the brush and the highlights and the arrows and the rectangle. You can see that the rectangle here is already what? Highlighted. Those are the things that I use every day, and the circle there is there. Those are the things that I use every day, every time when I open my chart. So we've got the text here, there by the T is text here. We've got different things. We've got even the call out. I use it, but not every time. For me, it's not that important. And then here we've got a delete. For example, if you did the drawings, you can be able to come here and erase everything. And then there is here lock all the drawings. Hereby lock all the drawings, it means if you lock your drawings, you won't be able to what? There is no any other mistake that will make you erase those drawings. They will always be there because it has been locked. Nothing will erase them. So, and then we've got stay in drawing mode. So now it means if you press there, it's going to the chart itself is going to be stay in the drawing mode, which is a what? A neutral. So now when we come right here, we've got what? Right here we've got a compare or add symbols. Yeah, that's where you are going to add your symbols. And then we've got time frames, different time frames. You come here, then you're going to add all the time frames that you think to you is what, it's that important this side here. So you can see here by the yellow buttons here by the yellow stars here, I highlighted that those symbols, those time frames, they must always be there at all the time. So now we've got what, we've got candlesticks, we've got candles. First we've got bar, I don't use bars. And then first, secondly, we've got what, we've got the what, the candles. Those are the ones that I use. And then we've got the halos candles, I don't use volume candles, I don't use lines, I don't use line with markers, I do not use. So those ones also I do not use. For me, it's not what, it's not that important. So we've got this part right here, this error here. So let's say for example you've made a mistake on, then you don't remember or what happened with your chart, you can just come and press this side here, and then all your things will come back. So now we've got what, let me check one more thing that I can show you. So there's this try free demo here. The moment you open that Deriv on what, on derivcharts.com there, so it's gonna come at this point here. This is a demo where you press here and then you do what, you open your demo. So that's not that important. So now this here is a save layout here. So it's your things that is been saved, a save layout. And then you've got load layout. So you are going to press here to come back to things that you did what, to the things that you saved long time ago, because there's your what, there's your your drawings there, they are there, you saved them. So to press here is, it means it helps you when you come back, you have to find your things again, not lose your what, your work. So it means every time your things will always be what, your drawings will always be there. So you can save at any time. So let's say for example if you did the drawings and stuff, you analyze your chart, how it's going to work, you are going to come and press what, you are going to come and press save. Once you press save, it means all your work is going to do what, all your work is going to be saved. So now we've got down there by the corner right there, you see here by the auto here, you see here there's a auto right here, there's a auto. Once you press auto there, it means that you can drag, like this chart can move like anything, it can move. Mara once you go back to press that auto again, it won't move like last time. You can see that my thing there, that cursor is moving alone. So it only taking the chart left and right only, but you can't take it upside and down side. So now make sure that you remove it from what, from auto, and then so that you can be able to what, to move your charts and do your what, and do your drawings properly. So now you can see it's like this. So there's this things that you come here, so this thing, they're invisible, the reset charts, they're invisible. So you just come down here and then you press like that, or that you press there, and then you can see that there's a changes, the chart is looking very clear and nicely. And also there's what, there's a scroll to right, there's a scroll to left, there's a plus, there's a minus. This one's you are zooming right here, but I only prefer to use the mouse just to zoom in and to zoom out. And then when I go left, I use the mouse. When I go right, I use the mouse. When I want to drag up the auto, I remove out of auto, and then I just take up. You get what I'm saying? So now here you can see there's a numbers here. So these numbers, like for example, you can see here it's saying 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 38 comma what. So that is the area where the market is. that is the area where the market is. So when we are analyzing, we will tell you that this is the point where the market is going to come, and then after that, when the market is going to come to this certain area, it's going to start to do what? To buy, or it's going to start to do what? To sell. So when we are giving you the stop loss, we give you that those numbers there. When we are giving the stop loss, when we are analyzing the market for you guys, we give you those numbers right there. We said your take profit should be around 2,212, and then that is where you are going to place your what? Your stop loss. So now we are going to the next level. So now we've got this camera right here. So that camera is to take a snapshot. Let's say, for example, if you want to do what? If you want to save your things, you just come there and then you download the what? You download the image right here. So it means if you download the image, all these things that is here with your drawings is going to do what? Is going to be saved into your gallery. So once it's saved to your gallery, well, now what you do, you send it to what? You send it to your group, and then you send the signal, and then everything is gonna be written in that image that they've got a stop loss, they've got a profit. This is either a buy or a sell. You get what I'm saying? So I've got